Hello, this is Leigh Hixon, Head of Listings Operations here at Nasdaq. Thank you for joining us live from MarketSite. I'm here with Doug Biehn, Chief Executive Officer of Octave Biosciences. Doug, thank you for being here with us today.
Great to be here, thank you.
We'd love to learn a little bit more about Octave Biosciences, and if you would just tell us more about your product and how you're getting that product to patients around the world.
Absolutely. Well, Octave is a leading precision medicine company focused on neurodegenerative diseases. And we have developed the world's first clinically validated multi-marker blood test for MS patients to start. This blood test is profound because it gives, for the first time, the patient and the doctor a common number to assess how well is their disease in control or out of control. And what that allows them to do is be really proactive on ensuring that each patient is on the right treatment at the right time. And that gives patients, that gives physicians such great peace of mind and control over disease that in much cases, very much out of control.
Tell us a little bit more about your journey now to being CEO. You're celebrating your first year with the company. What are some lessons that you learned the last year? And as we're all beginning the new year, what are some resolutions you have for the year ahead?
Yeah, no, it's been an incredible year. There are probably two things I'm really excited about. First, the team at Octave has really focused on trying to capture the greatest value for patients. And we've been really focused on just the vital few things that are going to make a difference. And full year, we have hit many records across the board as far as impacting the number of patients. Hundreds of physicians now are using our technology in daily practice. Our partnerships with leading pharmaceutical companies continue to strengthen and grow. It's just been an incredible year of focus and record levels of achievement. I couldn't be more proud of the team. I guess the second thing is, as you open the aperture to the future, we're just on the precipice of not only establishing our current product, the MSDA, a new standard of care in treating MS patients, but we are about to become the first multi-product, multi-indication platform in the neurodegenerative space in the next couple years, and I couldn't be more excited about that.
Congratulations. It sounds like you have a busy year ahead. You shared this a little bit more, but tell us and our audience more about the problems that you're solving, and then just real deeply how patients are being impacted by your solution.
Yeah, let me start with the MS patient population. MS is the largest neurodegenerative disease among young adults. It typically impacts women 3 to 1, and in their prime. It's like their 20s to 30s, and it's a real debilitating disease. And if you could look at the way patients are treated today, it's really antiquated. There's a significant unmet need. What I mean by that is you could characterize the way patients are treated much like trial and error. Much of the data is subjective, qualitative, and retrospective. The most common used tool is an MRI. Who wants to use an MRI? And when you get an MRI, it just shows you what's happened. It doesn't give you any information to be proactive. And so I would say that's the biggest problem we're solving. We are, for the first time, Octave enables physicians and patients to be proactive, to really understand the state of their disease today, to make sure each patient is on the right treatment at the right time, which really empowers the physician, puts the patient in more control, and creates peace of mind for everybody.
Absolutely. Every patient needs peace of mind to be able to make those decisions.
You got it.
So your company is raising a Series C financing. Can you tell us a little bit more about what are you hearing from your investors and what your plans are with that investment for the years ahead?
Yeah, great, happy to. Well, we are raising a Series C to really drive growth capital. We are on the precipice of a significant growth spurt, and we are partnering with really leading investors in helping us build that commercial infrastructure to really establish that standard of care. We're also investing and continue to bolster groundbreaking evidence to really demonstrate the clinical value of our technology. We're also partnering with Michael J. Fox Foundation to create the world's first multi-marker test for Parkinson's patients. And we're also deepening our partnerships with global leading pharmaceutical companies and developing new technology. And so all this over the next couple years will take us to the next inflection point. So we're really pleased with the investor interest in our Series C and being part of this long-term journey to establish a new standard of care in the neurodegenerative disease space.
How are the health plans reacting to this technology?
Yeah, great question. They love it. I'll tell you why. So in the US, the economic burden for the MS population is $85 billion. And for a health plan, on average, they spend about $65,000 per MS patient per year, and they don't have a solution. So when we engage with the health plans, they get really excited because for the first time, now they have a technology they could offer their network providers to empower them to make sure the right patient is on the right treatment at the right time. And what that leads to is better outcomes for the patient and a lower cost for the whole system. So they love it. We have, since just starting this year, have over 60 million patients in network contracts with leading health plans across the country.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for being here with us at Nasdaq today on Live from MarketSite, and we look forward to watching your continued growth and success.
Thank you so much for having us. It's been an honor.